Hello, this is Donna Lewis with the Clark County Park District again for another Nature's Book Nook. And because Easter is just right around the corner, we are going to read The Easter Bunny's Assistant. This is one of my favorites. My son really loved this when he was young. It's by Jan Thomas. So The Easter Bunny's Assistant. I encourage you to check this out at the library. Hello, I am the Easter Bunny, and this is my assistant, Skunk. Today, we will show you how to make beautiful Easter eggs. So there's the Easter Bunny and his assistant, Skunk. Step 1, hard boil the eggs. I'm so excited. Okay, so he's gonna hard boil the eggs. Skunk. What is that smell? Oh, sorry. It happens when I get excited. Oh boy. You guys know what skunks do when they get excited. So it's pretty stinky. Please try to control yourself. Skunk feels pretty guilty. Look at his face. Step 2, make dye for the eggs. Oh, look at the beautiful color. Oh, I'll show you there again. What do you guys think? Exciting. Oh boy, it's so exciting. So what is Skunk going to do? Skunk, sorry. And he sprayed again. Just couldn't help himself. Step 3, decorate the eggs with crayons. Oh, I love decorating eggs. Oh no. Uh-oh, he's getting wet. It's so Rabbit's getting angry. Pleasant. So pleasant. And exciting. Okay, he couldn't help it. It's so exciting. He loves decorating eggs. Uh-oh, what do you guys think happened? Oh no, he got really excited. So look at that greenish color all over the place. That's his skunk smell. Oh, Rabbit's about to pass out. Step 4, remove Skunk from room. Push if necessary. Hey! Rabbit has had it. He's getting Skunk out of there. Step 5, dye the eggs. Skunk wants back in. Rabbit's trying to ignore him. Now you have beautiful Easter eggs. And Skunk is still trying to get in. Should I let him help me hide the eggs? What do you guys think? Do you think Rabbit should let Skunk hide the eggs? I mean, I don't know. He's so nice. He didn't mean to do that, right? You sure? I don't know. Rabbit's not too sure. Oh, Rabbit found a solution. So he's gonna let Skunk hide the eggs, but obviously Skunk got really excited. So Rabbit covered his nose. And that is the end. Now, the great thing about the end of the book is it has directions for making beautiful Easter eggs. So Skunk gives you step-by-step instructions about making beautiful Easter eggs. Now you have exciting Easter eggs, he says. So this is a really great book. Again, it's called The Easter Bunny's Assistant. On the back it says, Easter, I'm so excited. It's a really cute short book for little kids and super fun to read. So I hope you guys get out and enjoy the sunny weather. It's a little chilly, but also get out to your local library and check out some fun books to read for Easter. All right, guys, that is it for today. Until next time, I'll see you then. Don't forget there is a Crow Reading and Nature program coming up this next week. So I hope you guys join us. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.